In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bot in Zoho Cliq. Whether you're looking to streamline your team communications or automate routine tasks, a bot can be a fantastic addition to your organizational toolbox. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the process. First, we need to navigate to the bot creation screen. Begin by clicking on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top bar of your Zoho Cliq interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Bots and Tools. But if you find yourself in the Integrations section and not quite sure where to go, don't worry. You can also choose Bots from there, and then click on Create Bot. Both pathways lead you to the same destination, so choose the one you find easiest. Now that you're on the Create Bot page, it's time to fill out your bot's details. Start by providing a name. This is mandatory, so be sure to choose something clear and memorable that reflects the bot's purpose. Next, provide a description. This is another required field, and you should briefly explain what your bot is designed to do or the function it will serve within your team or organization. These details help team members understand the bot's role quickly and ease its adoption. Next, you need to decide on the access level of your bot. You have three options here. If you want the bot to be available to everyone in your organization, select Organization. If it's meant for a specific group, choose Team, but do note that you're limited to a maximum of 4 teams. Finally, if the bot is for your eyes only, select Private. Making the right choice here is crucial for aligning the bot's functionality with your operational needs. You also have the option to add an image for your bot. While this isn't mandatory, uploading a friendly or illustrative picture can make the bot more recognizable and approachable to users. Additionally, you can set a status message, which is optional but a nice touch. The default is "Happy to help," but feel free to get creative and customize it to suit your bot's personality or function. Once you've carefully filled out all the necessary details and made your selections, click on Save Bot. This action will lead you to the Bot Handlers page. Here, you'll have the ability to further configure your bot's behavior and start defining the specific tasks it will handle. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the initial steps to create a bot in Zoho Cliq. Next, you'll want to explore configuring bot handlers to make sure your bot is as effective as possible. But for now, give yourself a pat on the back for reaching this milestone. Keep experimenting, and soon enough, you'll have a bot that's not only functional, but also a true asset to your team.